So this one's normal. This one's shorts. Yo, how are you doing today? Nice. I just need to fix the chats on my computer and then we can start off. I know there, Yeep Frog 85. Finally? Nah, it's only been 2 days. I don't know what you mean, fine. I've been gone for a little bit. Just wanted to finish up school. Tomorrow doesn't count, so school's over. Yeah, just a tiny bit. The entire time I was gone. Yeah, I remember you. Someone decided to do this, and the backup of the world deleted itself. I did ban them, but the backup of the world is gone. Yeah, I can't. I don't know what to do with. If just, I mean, some stuff's alive, but like, maybe destroyed the tree. Yeah, I have a server. One sec. Yeah, I was on the server, but then I decided to delete some of the old stuff because it was taking like 600 gigabytes. And I thought this was on the auto backup, and I guess not since it lied to me. So now I'm not sure if I should restart this world or if I should leave this here and make a new spawn. Any suggestions? Since I mean, you could do commands to remove this, but like, yeah, Yeepfrog, you should get your dad over here. Yeah, I don't think there's any saving this. We might as well go to the old area really quick, just so we can take a peek at what we lost. There it is. Possible to see with full. Possible to see. Um, cool bridge. Yeah, was the original start. When I just reached the 400 subs. Yeah, I got you. Do you guys want to know who did it? Because I can show you. I don't know if he's on the server, but his name was... If you remember this guy. I remember him. Because if you look at the logs over here, you can see, oh, the question mark joined and the question mark left. Which, this guy is a no more play because he got me to rename him. You could even see him execute the command. Wow, he was playing on the server for 15 minutes and he was like, yeah, this server's boring, and I just killed it. The hell is people's problem? Alright, do you want to send the server invite? You got it. I'll let you look over what's remaining, but what does your dad say? Should we try working around this, make a new location over here, restart it because this is just not far from optimal? I was angry when this happened. Like you can see, here's his username right here. I'm not actually gonna unban him, but you see, oh, I did get his username from the back of my head. Yeah, I don't even know why he would do this, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, someone joined, they suffocated and left. Well, spawn is not doing too good. Oh, there's someone's loot. Probably a person that suffocated. Here's where I spawned and I dug up. But that's why... Another reason why I haven't streamed lately. Just your loot? Okay, just making sure. Or just saying. Not making sure. Was this guy's base alive? No. Yeah, just pure stone, wow. Unless this was always pure stone. I think they just did slash execute. And then... Actually, just copy the command right now. It was... I'm not gonna press play because that... Press enter because I'm not gonna destroy it more. But... It was... This command. Slash execute at a run fill and then these coordinates. So I think he just made this so when he runs around it fills in these. I bet you he got this from Google. Sent a friend request on Roblox? I don't think I've opened that platform in a while. Let me go log into my account. I'm not gonna show it on stream, of course, because you don't show passwords here. This is like already modified Roblox, huh? Okay, so friends. Yeah, I think this is you. Who do we got? Don't think I need a friend anymore of these guys. Who was too busy playing CI? Since my activity is not showing any CI, so... This group still exists. Forgot about that. Haven't seen it like... Can't join? You gotta be phone number. You know what? Everyone's having so much issues. I'm just gonna turn off require phone number verification. I may get spam, and if we get raided or something, I'm gonna make the server more strict, like I've done with this server, but access, invite, age, no. Server rules, no. Okay, can't do it while streaming. Kaiser's not updated. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Should we just play some create? Should I just play? Why is my ping so high? Yo, Artie, are you still there? You're not. Oh, you are? Okay. Hear me out. I make a new world. Let you join on Essential, and and you can get creative while I mess. I don't even know. Try joining the server if you can. I want to see if it'll work. For you, at least. I know it works for other people, but don't say yes to the first option. What code again? Oh, the server IP. Well, lucky for you, I have that saved. Bam! Oh my gosh. Okay. Bam. 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 It won't let you join? Are you on Bedrock? If so, I have to fix it. Yeah, I can't figure out how to disable the no phone number lock. Let me try fixing something on my phone. Members, roles, community, security. Oh my gosh. Yo, what are we doing? I don't want to enable cars modification powers. No. Emoji integration channels, adult logs. Moderation? There's no restriction. I mean, I'd be mad too if I just woke up one day and the build I spent forever on is just some kid decided to destroy. You know, let me see if I can find his user. Let me question him. No, it's not this person. You need the app. Oh, That's crazy. Wait, what? Artie, what message does it say? I'm so curious. Host not found. Wow. Yo, I found no more play. I think you guys can see how this makes sense. GGG, play. On and off Minecraft, restart PC. Yo, add keyboard spam. I don't. Show this here stream. Show this here stream. Baby oil. That. Fox. Yeah. You can see her avatar though. This is. I can say this is no more play. I do remember his avatar. Not you. Somewhere else. But well, that's nothing I can do about this. Artie, do you think if I made the server the newest version, if that'll fix that? Because I could. Whatever, it's not hard. I'll just do that right now. We create a new server. Server type Minecraft servers. Fabric sucks. But I think I made this server Fabric, so we're gonna have to stick with Fabric. Actually, I'm gonna use the stupid AI interview. I'll just use that new tab, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick with Fabric. What's the newest version now? I don't even know. I think 26.3 came out, but yeah. Yo, we're not clicking on that. Let's just do this so you... Okay, so we're gonna call this Streaming 2.0. Okay, so we are on the newest version. Minimum RAM 1 GB, maximum 7. Server port 6. 8, you thought. 3, 0, 1. You're gonna watch Netflix? See ya. Have a great rest of your day. Okay, fine, I'll do this port. Gay ass error? What do you mean? Okay, so what we got is these files. Now what we need to do is download all the world files from the old server and move it to the new one. Which doesn't sound that hard. We just need to get the world. Yeah, I think all we need is the world. What are you getting at? They'll end up like, yeah, I don't doubt that. Oh, what do you mean, or? Sure, let's do jungle colors in my room. Well, this is really trying to download the world. It's doing a very good job. Bit of, watch a bit of funny stuff like you. Okay, Artie. Okay, so this isn't gonna work. Artie, out of curiosity, with this save, with 340 hours, we have to say bye to this because we're gonna have to make a new save. Yeah, I'm gonna try importing the world on the new one, but it's not wanting to behave. You go to the world folder, you click here. Wait, what if I copy it? You go to this. Okay, this seems very happy right now. Hello, you okay down there? Yo, we need to get the stats open. We're gonna have to get Bezo open right now. Oh my gosh, it's making me log in again. Do funeral for it with the funeral music. Verify. Okay, so my main PC is having a lot of fun right now. And server is just chilling. Okay, so it's my main computer. Well, Crafty seems to have crashed. Yo, are you okay, server? Uh-oh, shot up. Look, what do you mean skill issue? Okay, so everything's fine. Make a Minecraft education world. Holy crap, relax. What if I didn't want to use my school account and stream though? Because I don't really want to. School accounts are not very secure. Holy like this that's on the same IP as my server is completely fine. Wait, is something happening in the world? What you up to? She's clearly up to something. If if Crafty won't work. Oh my gosh, FIFA. Man, should we just watch sports and stream? Oh, I see no more play on the list. Last memory of him. Come on! Okay, what if it's just Chrome? Let's use the frickin' incognito browser. And my computer doesn't want to do that. Hello? I don't even have shaders open. What are you... Can we relax? Okay, so it's Chrome. Now it... Oh my gosh. It's playing me for a fool right now. Should we try again, or is that a terrible idea? Call which friend? Oh, that guy? Nah. We could do Rec Room stream some other time. World download. And now this is what crashed Crafty last time, so let's let it happen. How do you join? Well, it might be a minute. can you wait for that? Yeah. What I mean by that is radium. Yeah, it might be a second. Okay, so we got the world file. Now we upload the world file. Radium's basically a revival project. Oh yeah, while we're waiting, we're gonna have to make a brand new save. Install mod pack. I need the 20. I think it's this 26.2. The Dream version, vanilla instance, nah. Windows edition. How do you say your name? But hi there. Hopefully you're not a bot. Oh my god, holy cow. What are you talking about? You're one. Don't even want to hear it. Yeah, you are. I'd say that. It's pretty good proof. I'm stupid for enough. You're one. I don't. Again, I don't want to hear it though. I'm not installing a bunch of new stuff, so I'm just gonna get this. Yo, can you shut up over there? I'm trying to game over here. Okay, now time to leave on this save. Wow, that's amazing. Exactly what I wanted to hear in my ear. Hi there. Whoa, I almost made $40,000. Pure mouth? What are you talking about, Artie?
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Oh, I'm good. Now we gotta oh my gosh, we need to update these settings. Server. And now, to get the server, it's gonna be this random numbers with this, and then you get the port. It's not gonna work for you guys, so don't even try. Now let's see if this works. I'm gonna lose my hearing. Relax, Minecraft. Okay, so what we need, an exception when launching, launch fabric, invoking bundle, processor not. What are you talking about? Fabric loader has been caught in expectation. Okay, so what you're saying is I should go to here, temporarily delete this, and start the server. Well, you should have started a backup for the old server. Ah, this is fun. Whatever, bam. You know, I'm too lazy to figure this one out. I have a plan. Okay, quit yawning over there. I'm figuring it out. You wanted to stream when I'm not ready, so I don't even want to hear it. Oh, it's not the server issue. I see the issue. I need to open up this guy. Oh no. Terminal. And we can't show the rest. Sorry, guys. Already shared an image. Right, last time I leaked your DMs, you killed me, so I'm not going to. It's friendly, huh? There we go. Holy crap. And now we need to go to this. And then we need to get the file from the Magic Man. Bam. Type the password in. Very secure password. Yes. And what is it? Yeah, that's very safe. You probably just wanted me to show the wallpaper again, huh? What are you talking about? That's yours. I swear, if YouTube bans me. Okay, so this is gonna take a day and a half. So let's check out the new version. Very stable. Oh, that's some healthy sense. There's no difference. All of that lag just for nothing? Okay, we're not doing that. That's an awful idea. Okay, start. You got the new Java. Be happy. Okay, you are happy. Now it's time to get the world file and then we're good. If I can find the upload button. Leak the files. Don't you dare take that out of context. Pow? What do you mean plow? You're speaking, speaking terms. Holy relax, Minecraft. Are you a mommy or what? Okay, we need to unzip this file. Say off your mouth closed, that's a trap. And I am good. This isn't the first time in my years I've tried being tricked by obvious tricks. What if I save my mic muted? Why is there 6,000 files? Okay, so um so I unzipped the world file and I don't see a world folder, but I see pretty much every other folder you can picture. Well, I'll unzip it again, because why not? You say on your life, huh? What is this supposed to do? Watch this video? Okay.
I never
I saw that first frame. What are we doing?
really wanted to tell this story
Holy crap.
because honestly, there's nothing exciting about it. It's just a situation that happened like 6 years ago.
Wow. Wow.
Man, I see his avatar. Fine sauce. I see a thick thigh and some red and black sauce. And I'm like, okay, you know what? This is happening. All my friends are either transgender, but hey, this is what it is. This has no bullshit. This is it just happens to be so. What are you asking for? You guys.
Yo, what did I just hear? You know what? You can cook for me. I don't even know what I just did, but... Oh my god. It did the one thing I didn't want it to do. Yo, this is the most disgusting seed I've ever seen in my life. Yo, we're retaking that. You know what? I don't care anymore. All I care about is you need to go into this freaking folder if you like it or not. Oh my gosh. This is like talking to a smooth braid noob on Roblox. Just get on my life. Just... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If I click on one of these again, World War III is gonna start. Not for me, of course. Also, what did you send? What was this video? Yo, what the hell? Okay, anyway. Hey, did you put the right IP in here? You did, you're smart, unlike every other. I'll hold back. Okay, so now that we got the world folder, now if we start, we should have our world. Or boach the world, but we should have our world. Yeah, the arty error. I just blame Artie for this, honestly. The books. Wow. That's amazing. When you go to creatives and survive, we don't have flying and survival yet. Okay, so all my inventory items are here. Everything's here. Is that motion blur I see? Wow, they even covered up all the art. What a freaking smooth brain, bro. Sees something doesn't like and destroys everything. No wonder why we don't have nice things in the world. Yeah, I put this in the newest version, but yeah, kids are pathetic. Let me ban him on the server too, the new one. Now, what do you prefer? No More Play, if you remember him. That's the guy that did. On this new one, I'm gonna actually do it so certain people get op. You know, Wendigo? Oh, that was not good, giving a whole bunch of random kids op. You'd never... Don't do that. Well, what do you prefer, though? Making a new server or looking at your destroyed base? Hi, the people of God. How are you doing? Well, if I had face cam on, I'd fall backwards on every donation. Not even lying. Or, yeah, I don't know why I said base, but I just defaultly say that when other people make stuff. Kids sure take everything for granted, huh? What's your question? Wipe it away? Yeah, what's your question, the people of God? Well, time to go with the mods since I have a new version now. Well, it's fun while that lasted. So just want I'll keep the other server intact, but don't worry, if I do this, your world's still intact. This is just streaming 2.0. Do you have an editor? Because I am one and I do it for free. I mean, I tend to edit my videos my own style, but like, if I really want to stay in my hands and, if you really want to stay around, and if I do need you, I can let you know. You just have to go up in the chat and join the Discord server, and you can contact me off there. Yeah, I'm just mentioning the idea, since right now I'm fine, since my life's not busy right now, and I have all the time in the world, but yeah, Wendigo, I'll let you decide. Should I just wipe all of this, or you only have Instagram? Ooh, that I don't share. I mean, I guess you can subscribe and you can talk to me next stream, but I don't know if you'll be busy. Talk to me on my community page. What was the guy name that griefed again? I'll just put this. Let's get the notepad open so you guys can take a screenshot. It is N_0, capital M more this. You know, we need to make this bigger. And this is not a shout out, this is just showing who griefed the server. Oh, let's put that in the center for the short stream. Well, yeah, I don't know what to say. Uh-oh, and Crafty has crashed again. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Such a stable platform. This is like the first time it's been crashing too. I think I need to update it. But that's not a now job too. And I don't want to do all of this now. Because we came to play Minecraft. We did not come to watch me troubleshoot. You know? I'm genuinely getting annoyed. And like, this is misbehaving. Like, only if the stupid AI data centers or whatever didn't jack up the SSD prices, and the Minecraft server would have a nice, smooth, fast SSD. But no, thanks to those dumb servers, we're stuck with a slow hard drive that friggin' kills. That's what this means. IO8 that that bottlenecks the crap out of the CPU, causing giant issues where this won't even work. Okay, finally, damn. Okay, so what we need to keep is we're gonna keep data. We're not gonna keep. Actually, we're gonna keep all of these. But the one thing we're not gonna keep is we're not gonna keep dimensions. Since I think we all know why. Are you good with the same seed, you guys, or what? I think this reset all the ops, but I could be wrong. And then I also need to re-add all the mods. It's the whole shebang. That's why I didn't want to update the server. Maybe it's for the... Okay. Yeah, I'll just keep it for luck. Well, I mean, keep the end and nether. Maybe not the end, but you can keep the nether if you want. Have some memories of the old world. I don't think the nether's griefed. Last I checked. But I don't think we also built anything in the nether. You know, why not? We're gonna have to get rid of these two, though. I'm just saying the end, too, just in case someone ran over and killed the dragon. Just... time to do the fun job now of installing servers. Now I need Geyser, Geyser, download. We need to go to friggin' Geyser, and we need to do Fabric. Yeah, I agree, Modern. I'm using your friggin' app right now. Download, go to Crafty, go to mods, friggin' upload those files. Hi. You. You. Well, that's the best sound you want to hear. Now we have Bedrock support. Now what we need next... So we have Bedrock support. We need to Don't you worry. I'll go to the backup section. We're gonna go to default backup. And we're gonna do run command before, run command after backup. Shut down server during... Sure, that sounds like a great idea. Let's do that. Shut down server during backup. Just delete this one though, since that one's not a good one. Good idea though. And there should be a run default backup button that I'm blind when I can't see. But there should be a run occasionally. I don't want to have to press the run button after every time we play, except I'm gonna forget. There has to be some way. Maybe it's in config. Also, if you join the server right now, it's gonna be on the old version. Just a warning. Until I get everything all set up. Am I 90% blind? Where is it? Max backup. Should not store, enter, keeps them all. I want to keep them all, obviously. Deleting the oldest. What's a fair amount of backups, would you say? Without filling my storage. I actually need to do that on a couple of my servers. Since right now they have 1,006 backups. Which I could have been using for the other server, but no. Let's do 15 for everyone. Wait a sec, did you? before you install a new map, do you want a decent map? I mean, we could technically use a pre-made map. I don't know if it... okay, there it goes. It's saved. And now we need to go to this server and make sure backup's on. And it's not. Why does one server get all the backups and the rest is like, eh, we don't care. Come on. There has to be a setting somewhere in this app where it's like, oh, backup every, I don't know, midnight every day? But I'm gonna make it 15 on everyone, just to be fair. If you somehow run 15 weeks and don't realize it's a issue, then that's a bigger issue, so. I feel like this server will not get grieved, but also I feel like it will. Whatever, that, I won't worry about that right now. Might get rid of the Pokemon crap on it. It was a Pixelmon. Oh, okay. Oh, I feel so blind and stupid. Where is it? Back, there should be a, go to backup, create new, main, status, standby. Okay, I need to be right back. I need to get a drink. This is too much for my brain. Wow, it's toasty in here compared to the rest of my house. Artie, are you still there or what? Okay, you are still there. You're just awfully silent. I guess there's nothing to talk about. Do I really have to search? Oh, schedule. Basic. We're gonna have to do backup server. Backup policy to main backup. How often do you want this schedule? Let's do days. How much days do you think? If we can only have 15 backups, and how much days? I think a reasonable amount of days is 5 days. Every 5 days. I feel like that's somewhat reasonable. But also I feel like 5 times 15, that's a lot of days. Where if you don't know this, then that's kind of just... yeah. Where like if you don't know this for entire 75 days, then I think there's bigger issues a brew. 3 days is a good middle. Yeah, 45. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, so every 3 days, and let's do. I think this is my time. Either way, let's do 3 a.m. Sorry for gamers at 3 a.m. I want to play, but ignore those things that showed up there. Already might be confused. Every 3 days, backup server. Probably spelled automated wrong, but I don't care as long as it works. You know what's the other options here? Custom command, backup server, shutdown, restart. I feel like every 7 days the server should restart. Just to keep performance good, you know? But also it could do that at backup times. So I'll do it at 1 a.m. I guess. I'll do it every day at 1 a.m. since... Well, yeah. Anti-slowdown. Yeah, that's a good name. Anti-slowdown and then probably spell anti wrong. That looks wrong. That's definitely wrong. You did not see anything? Don't you dare say you saw anything. I did not spell anti wrong. Okay, I'm just like second guessing myself. You know what? Whatever. Let's just start from scratch. That won't hurt anyone. Okay, so if we do world for servers, what is gonna show up? I just want to see what type of Minecraft server worlds show up. PvP arena, no. Yeah, and also the other server right here, streaming one or whatever, I'm just gonna leave existing just so if we want to see it again we can, but you don't have to change the IP or anything. I'll do that for everyone. So like the IP for this server will connect to this one. It's easier to make a new server than switch everything over. Custom waterfall aura farming. What are we talking about? Hotel and Go SMP. What? Bro, these guys have never played a game in their life. Oh my gosh. Stop trying to advertise on my stream. Playable. Well, I better hope it's playable. Yeah, these guys, this is terrible. Any other mods do we think we need? Because right now all we have is Bedrock support. I have a feeling we might want other type of mods. But I don't have anything on my mind right now. I guess there is one. This mod. This is a great mod. It doesn't matter to me, honestly. Whatever your heart desires. Well, I'm just gonna hope this works. If it doesn't, well, okay. Yeah, whatever. It's not the first time we've showed personal stuff. You killed a spider in the most disrespectful way. That's crazy. Well, I won't let you in my house. Damn. The spider's just chilling at my desk. Don't pull out the flamethrower. Anyway, though, any mod Japanese style? I actually do really like Japanese styles. Hear me out. If we go to here, don't hear me out. But fabric anti-cheat 26.2 mod. Fuck? Sure, whatever. Why not? Wait, what does this do? We can either get one of no downloads, or we can get a very official one. There's no... Whatever. This probably works. Grim anti-cheat. There's probably some exploit out there, but... Does it look like a... It's better than what we have before. You got next spawn will be... Alright. This thing really wants me to do two-factor. Just relax. Okay, so we got an anti-cheat guy. Okay, well, what if we go to the old server and let's see what mods we have? That's a better idea than trying to figure it out. Holy. Okay, so yeah, Essential X, custom name, map to image, luck perm, voice chat. Okay, so I see what we need. Why don't I just write this in Notepad, not a Google tab? Okay, so what? Get out of here. I don't want to see your face. No more play. Okay, so what we need is world edit, voice chat, pixel on server. I mean, what if we make a lobby place somehow that teleports you to the either normal server or that server? I mean, it might be kind of funny. Actually, we don't need Via Fabric. We're all updated now. Vanish is pretty cool. Scoreboard is helpful, but I'm not sure if this is gonna work 50-50. Actually, that's gonna confuse the crap out of me. Packet, fixer, luck, perms. Holy, that's peak spelling. If the, you want inventory view? Probably. Image to map. We have geyser. I assume we have the fabric API. I'd hope we do. Everything. DC integration. Custom name. We have Chunky and that's it. Well, that's not too much mods we have to install. I wish I could make... Wait, can I make this stay on top of everything? Full screen. Compact overlay. Hell yeah, we can make it stay on top of stuff. 26.2. If that doesn't exist yet, whatever. Fabric, bam. BC integration. Ignore why I say it like that. I can say how I want to say words. I'm the boss of myself. Okay, X, custom name. Image to map. Well, that's really helpful. This one seems helpful, but I don't remember installing it, but sure. Lithium. Not the mineral. Hey, is this very entertaining to you guys? Because I'm entertained. I just forgot. It's probably not the most awesome thing to watch in the world, but nothing I can do. Okay, so I did lithium. Obviously, you said it right there. Nah, we don't need luckperms.net. I said we don't need luckperms.net. Network failure. Yeah, Artie's network sucks then. Yeah, you heard me already though. And I'll say it again. Okay, this doesn't exist, so question mark. Let's get this, because why not? And voice chat, that won't work. Now time for the funnest part of the funnest part. We get Essential X. I said we get Essential X with it working. They said we don't get Essential X. You know what? Let's get both. Why not? For some reason, I got banned from the original server. Yo, someone just banned. What? That's crazy. Okay. Yo, what? One sec. Wait, meow person. Is that the? I think I know. Oh my god. I thought they're gone forever. Whatever. Just wait until the new server's ready. They won't have access on it to stuff on the new server. And this doesn't have any of new versions. And now holy crap. And now time to get all the new files. I didn't know I was getting that much. Okay. Okay, now we should have bam. And now let's see how much we can't have because they're not the proper version. I assume probably a lot, but let's see. What are we talking about? It says any mod version between 26.2, but the version is 26.2. What are we on about? Incompatible mods found. Fabric 8. Yo, this idiot didn't install Fabric API. That's like kindergarten mistake of Minecraft. We all know that if you've played if modded Minecraft for more than a day. And now it's whining about something else. Okay, so the two mods we can't have is so the one file that doesn't work is our anti-cheat, which is just great. We totally didn't want an anti-cheat. And we can't have Bedrock permissions this second. And then Floodgate's probably incompatible too. But luckily this is a quick fix where it's just, yeah, I totally wanted to move it. This website makes no sense. Oh, that makes sense. Geyser doesn't support it. Sigh, okay. Well, I don't want to fix it. Are we okay if not having Bedrock support this stream? I putting my hand up. Crashed. I wonder why. Yeah, I know. Failed load, can't proceed to server load. What? Oh, I don't want to fix. Can I just play? I close Minecraft like a doofus move. If this just works, then I don't care. I'm not fixing it. But if this doesn't work, oh. And we all know what's the issue of that. Oh, I know why it's whining. There's no world in the world folder. I'd whine too. Gosh, I'm such an idiot sometimes. Holy crap. Yo, what happened to my skin here? Oh, I know why. Why is this not... Finally, after 18 years... What? Why did it just crank up for no reason? I like to have my hearing, thanks. Please work! Work! Please! Come on! What the hell? Oh my gosh. The world's most stable server, guys. I look away for a second, and the server's just unstable. Server thread is fading. That's a great sign. Come on, come on, come on. We gotta beat the game. We gotta beat the game before a server dies. What is this new F3 menu? And we're gone. The meow person? It's just either... To sum it up, it's someone's old ex. I think. Or someone's ex. No, no, it's someone else. Why is the F3 menu working? Okay, I don't care anymore. Just work. I now have the arty issue. Let's turn these off for now. Until we figure out what's the issue. What do you mean, yay? I've been struggling for the last 30 minutes on this dinky ass server. And all you have to see for yourself is yay? If this crashes again... Yo, we're pretty smooth. If I go to... max FPS and make it unlimited, how much FPS are we getting? Ooh, some nice 300? But that's with some terrible settings. Never mind, 16 chunks is great. This sure doesn't look like 16 chunks though. Not close enough. Okay, so we're gonna go on to... we're not gonna do this on stream. Never mind, I changed my mind. Sorry, guys. Play. Yo, Wendigo, are you still there, or did I boarded you out and you left? And it cleared my password. Oh, I love Windows. I love Google. They sure love just clearing my passwords for no reason, too. Oh, time to type my 18-letter password. Oh, it's having a heart attack. Yo, I was trying to read that, jerk. Whatever. I really don't care anymore. I just wanna... I can't even log into my phone. My phone's touchscreen won't even work. Wait, which one is the 2 ports? If I go to... if I turn this on just for a second... Team Seeker, okay. So we can kill Team Seeker. Already love to see that. Okay, what's the new port again? I don't even care about hiding my screen anymore. Config this guy, you put him in here. And now if we copy this. Yes. Okay, now it's this server. And now if we go to files. Actually, let's go to this one. We go to files and we go to server properties. Yo, we're having so much fun, right? Anyway, let me turn on my fan. I'm gonna melt to my chair. Okay. So we got this. Okay. Yo, that guy's profile picture is exactly how I feel right now. I'll give it some context to my stream. Oh, that's hella nice. Okay, so, Artie, you want to try joining now? If you don't say yes to my chat right in like the next 2 seconds, you're gonna get killed. What? What? Wait, cool. What? You're the idiot. You're the idiot. Why does my audio keep turning up and down? I really don't care. Oh wait, that's my proof that you're a furry, so... Win-win. I will never use Discord or DM, so only Steam. Okay, it seems to be stable. Now I just need to get the Discord bot working, and then we should be good. Wow, you're happy about that, aren't you? You're very happy. You know what? You're a pretty princess, also. Anyway, where is the bot permissions? I see essential commands chunky. Geyser fabric. Nah, that's not it. And now if we show this on stream, I'm gonna get toxed and killed. Make sure it's actually not being showed. Okay, good. This is the one part I don't mind that people are get bored the hell out of. Not that I want them to leave, I'm just saying that... Yeah. Okay, now if we restart this server, it should show up on the server, and we should be good. It's just no Bedrock support. Okay, so that we're off to a shiny new good start. Wow, already you had to reply to that. Bam! Okay, good. It's working here then. Finally, holy crap. /OP. I don't remember his username, but I want to OP him. But I don't know how to wake him up. So that's an issue. /OP. That's totally what I meant to do. There we go. I could technically have put a little more care into it. Okay, now let's turn on the backups and hope this doesn't kill the server. We're not going to do the automated anti-slowdown, but we're going to try the automated backup. Because why not? I mean, okay, so who's watching the stream still? Because I expect a whole bunch of nobody. You were watching it? What's up? I can't say your name, but hi, how are you doing today? Nice. Yeah, you subscribed? Oh, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. I'll explain actually what happened that you missed. So, as you can see by me being in a new world, the old world got destroyed by a griefer, and thanks to that, I've decided to update the server and everything, so now we're on the newest version, but everyone's bases and stuff is now gone, sadly. Since the server decided to not back up everything, I would show you it, but yeah, it's I mean, this seed seems alright. It's a bit flat, but I'm not really gonna do any progress tonight since I kind of just fought with getting the server working for the past 30 minutes. So yeah, I don't know what to talk about, but yeah, I was just clearing up this island. Yeah, I might as well get something before I go. Even though we're not mining this tree as a beehive. We're too nice, or I'm too nice to mine trees like that. Yeah, I corrected myself. Also, there should be... Actually, then we gotta try fixing something. Because it's kind of bugging me. Are you the only streamer who don't kill bee? I mean, probably. That's actually the one animal I don't actually just kill. Okay, but where... Not like kill any besides like for food. That's like the one that I just leave that be. What are you... Okay, before you think I'm talking about this out of the blue, what is Artie talking about? Like, this is my other stream on my channel? No, Artie, I will not. Okay, well, see ya. I'm not gonna show it on stream, but... Alright. Have an amazing rest of your day or night. This is public messages right here. Every time the stream ends, all your messages are saved. Unless you delete them all, but don't. But, yeah. But... But why would you think that's a yes? I'm curious. Why would you think I would say yes to that? Because you'd leak. Well, I guess if I had it open and you sent it. Oh, hi. It's done? Like done? You know, let's put both the chats on the stream. Why not? We're just that cool. You see, I have 2 streams open. Like done? Oh, you like the stream? Okay. But thank you, FF Gaming. You want to be my 480th subscriber? Dying over here. For some reason, that was the last message I was expecting. Brother, please check out my ID and check out my song. Oh, and there goes the English translation. Is your song in English? Because, yeah. I think. Hi, guess. Get. Chicken butt? But what is it? Whoa. Okay. Just curious. Oh, can you join the server? Yeah, I got you. Bedrock doesn't work, though. That's the main issue right now. If you're on Java, though, then sure. I'll put the IP on the screen right now. Bedrock's... I mean, I can put the IP on the screen, and when Bedrock starts to work, you can join, but right now it doesn't work. Yeah, since you did subscribe, I'll put the IP on the screen, so, like, take a screenshot or something for when it does work. But right now, it does not work. It would just say it doesn't exist. Alright, I'll take it off the screen now. What stream do you like better, though? Portrait or the video one? Okay, maybe if I... This? Okay, so you like the portrait one. What's better, do you think? Oh, that's not centered. There we go. Oh, that didn't fix anything. There we go. Yeah, there is one other person that sent the YouTube video. You know, what's the worst thing they could have sent on the YouTube video? This is not the browser I wanted to open, but... Good question. I don't even know what to say to that either. Okay, back to Minecraft. Oh, this is smooth. Oh, I probably should go. I will stream again sometime. Torto? I might have to search that if that's a game or something. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, I see. It's fine. I probably won't. It's you're fine. I just get confused easily. Probably not tomorrow though. What day is it today? Monday? Okay, so either be Wednesday, not Friday. Actually, yeah, Wednesday or Friday. It might be Wednesday though, since I can start earlier and I can have a really long stream. Thursday also I'm not busy at all. And Friday I'm working, so yeah, I'll see you either on Wednesday or Thursday. And now, just a warning for you, you can turn down your audio since I'll play an outro segment, which is very loud. But thanks everyone for watching the stream, and I'll see everyone. I don't know. Yeah, Wednesday or Thursday. Already turn your audio to max, but this other person, turn your audio down. But yeah, see ya.